Okay, so right now we're going to talk about the app Social Maker for Social Stories that I purchased on at the App Store. This is I believe, a $40 app, which is a very good app. So it's worth it if you know about social stories. So social stories are mainly used for students with special needs. You can pretty much use them with any student, but they're used with students with special needs, and I've seen them used with students with behavior problems to show them what is expected of them when they do certain activities or when they go to certain events. So it's pretty much easing up all the anxiety that they may have um, when going to new places and doing new things. This app in particular, it allows you to create your own social stories digitally. You can do them on paper, but this is nice because your iPad may store a lot of pictures and you can make a really quick story if something quick comes up. You're like, oh, you grab the app and you create it. So you create it by pressing this plus sign and you choose between add a new story and then the number page one, page two, page three, and you add how many pictures as you want. Right here, just to show you an example of it, they have some that are already pre-made. So I'm learning to tie my shoes. You add the picture, you have some small print of what you expect to happen when tying your shoe. You may want to put them in sequential order. I wouldn't exactly do it the way she has it set up with the past, present, and future. I guess it depends on the student. You can modify it as much as you want, just depending on the student. The age group that Apple has it, or that the app says it has it listed for, is from ages 6 through 18. And I have used social stories with students as young as 3. Um, and they're very helpful if you use them in a meaningful way. Um, I really enjoy the app. I have a son who has autism, so I'm definitely going to, which I didn't mind spending the $40. I'm definitely going to create some social stories for him. Because I do have a book for it, and I do tell him verbally, and I show him pictures, but I haven't put any words with the pictures. So this is a nice tool to use for students just to ease some anxiety that they may have. Um, so, and that is with that app. Like I said, I like it, and I can see myself using it in the future. And if I were to get assigned in a life skills class, I can see using this as a valuable tool with my students. Because not only it's easy to use, but I can see that it'll be more engaging because I will use their pictures and I will use pictures of items in their familiar surrounding. So, and that is that for this app.